rises slow over Makarska Bay, where the mountains kiss the sea. Olivia walks by the shore today, and you're walking here with me. The pebbles whisper beneath our feet, smooth and round from the ages past. The scent of pine and salty breeze wraps around, soft and vast. Hear the cicadas sing their song, 1,000 tiny summer choirs. The rhythm steady all day long, filling the air with golden fire. This is Beach Walk with Olivia, where the Adriatic calls your name. Waves roll gently, sunburn soft, and nothing feels the same. Step by step beside the sea, through Makarska's heart we'll roam. Beach Walk with Olivia, where the shore feels like home. Look ahead, the Biokovo range rising proud, a marble wall. Silent guards of this coastal town, watching over all. Did you know up in the clouds there's a skywalk made of glass, where brave hearts look down below at olive groves and grassy paths. The sea sparkles in shades of blue, turquoise, sapphire, emerald green. It tells old stories ever new, of sailors lost and places seen. Olivia's steps are slow and light, the pebbles cool beneath her toes. You can almost taste the night, the lavender, the wine, the rose. Makarska's old streets hum with life, cafes laughing, fishermen's tales, stone walls holding secret times beneath the moon so pale. This is Beach Walk with Olivia, where the Adriatic calls your name. Waves roll gently, sunburn soft, and nothing feels the same. Step by step beside the sea, through Makarska's heart we'll roam. Beach Walk with Olivia, where the shore feels alone. St. Mark's Church stands still and proud, its bell tower high against the sky, while down below the children laugh and seagulls wheel and fly. The harbor sleeps with boats in rows, fishermen mend their lines with care. The smell of grilled fish fills the air as music drifts everywhere. Palm trees sway in whispered grace, the wind plays softly in your hair. Time slows down, we lose the race, but honestly, who cares? The nights in Makarska glow like fire, with lanterns, stars, and silver waves. And when you walk with Olivia, it's the moment your soul craves. The cliffs above, the sea below, the town tucked gently in between. Nature here puts on a show like nothing you have seen.
Kantor, chcę cię tutaj.
Beach walk with Olivia, where the Adriatic calls your name. Waves roll gently, sunburn soft, and nothing feels the same. Step by step beside the sea, through Makarska's heart will roam. Beach walk with Olivia, where the shore feels. Olivia smiles, the sunlight glows, footprints fading in the sand. But every wave that comes and goes tells stories of this land. Hidden coves and quiet dreams, Makarska's soul is wild and free. Pebbled beaches, olive trees, and endless sea. So close your eyes, breathe it in, the salt, the sun, the sound. This isn't just another place, it's where your heart is found.
Ovako, ovako, ovako.